Hello viewers, in this session of Business Today we have Cyrus Mistry, former chairman of Tata Sons, killed in car accident. The death comes as a blow to Shapoorji Pallonji Group. Cyrus Mistry, ex-Tata Sons chairman and descendant of the Shapoorji Pallonji, died in a car accident while travelling from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. The incident took place at Charoti Naka around 3:15 p.m. when the Mercedes car he was travelling in hit a road divider, some 120 kilometers from Mumbai. Condolences came in large numbers for the former Tata Group chairman. Condolences came from former colleagues, business and political leaders. All defined Cyrus Mistry's death as a shock and loss to the world of commerce and industry. He had studied at London Business School and became chairman of Tata Group in 2012. He succeeded Ratan Tata, who retired at 75. So viewers, continue watching and please subscribe the channel and comment and like the video. Thanks.